El verbo tener en español puede usarse de diferentes maneras. This verb, the verb tener in Spanish, can be used in different ways. The first one and the easiest one is when we use it to talk about possession, as in when we say, tengo dos perros y un gato. I have 2 dogs and 1 cat. Tengo dos perros y un gato. We can also use this verb to talk about age. In Spanish, we talk about age with the verb tener. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 25 años. So we use the verb tener plus the years, right? Tengo 25 años. So that's the second use of the verb tener. We can also use the verb tener to talk about sensations. Podemos usar el verbo tener para hablar de las sensaciones o de las cosas que sentimos. For example, when you say, tengo frío and cold. Tengo calor. This is so hot, I'm so hot. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. So we can use the verb tener basically in all those forms when we use in English, for example, when you use an adjective after the verb to be. I'm sleepy, I'm hungry, I'm hot, I'm cold. In Spanish, we use the verb tener. We can also use the verb tener when we talk about emotions, as when we say, for example, tengo miedo. We can say, tengo miedo, I'm scared, I'm afraid of something. We can also use it, for example, when we say, tengo prisa, I'm in a rush. Tengo prisa, I need to go right now because tengo prisa. We can also use it, for example, in the expression, tienes razón, you are right. I agree with you, you are right. Tienes razón. Tengo razón, I'm right. We also use the verb tener plus the particle que, meaning you have to do something. Tener que. I have to walk my dog. Tengo que pasear a mi perro. I have to work. Tengo que trabajar. Tener plus que indicating obligation or necessity. There are other expressions we can use with the verb tener. One of the most common ones is when we say tener ganas de. When you really want to do something, you really want to go somewhere, or you want to show that you're eager for something, you're willing to do something, you say, tengo ganas de comer. Like I'm starving. Tengo ganas de comer. Tengo mucha hambre. So, tengo ganas de, meaning you really want to do something. Tengo ganas de salir. Like right now during pandemic, you really want to go out, right? Tengo ganas de salir. So there you go. Those are some uses of the verb tener.